Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the essentials. The number on your Gcash profile must match the SIM inserted. Once done, make sure you have a stable cellular or Wi-Fi connection. Weak signal often blocks SMS. Restart the phone and toggle airplane mode for 10 seconds to force reconnect. Now open Gcash and request the verification code immediately. If the app shows a delivery timer, wait that short window, because repeated requests can trigger throttling and delay messages. You should inspect SMS settings. Filters, blocked senders, and full inboxes can drop verification texts, so clear space and unblock any numbers. If you use dual SIM, try the primary SIM alone since some phones route SMS incorrectly. Once you clear those, use Gcash's resend option after waiting 1 full minute. Rapid repeats can be rejected by carriers. If you still see no SMS, switch to a different network or connect to a robust Wi-Fi and try again to eliminate carrier routing issues. If SMS still won't arrive, request a voice call OTP so you can hear the code. This bypasses some SMS routing faults. You can also use Gcash Help Chat to verify identity through email or a one-time link if available, which avoids SMS entirely. Once you regain access, update contact details and enable app notifications to prevent future issues. If none of these work, contact your mobile carrier to check SMS routing and any blocks on short codes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.